Funnily enough, most of us don't really actually necessarily want money. What we really want is what money can give us. The money itself is just the middleman. Some of us can often get lost in this differentiation. What we really want from the money is security, freedom, more comfort, more choice, more breathing room with our time, and the opportunities for more life experiences. The real value in money is not the money itself. The real value in money is that it gives access. Think about modern life for a brief second. Almost everything that we need passes through money first. Food, housing, transport, electricity, healthcare, education, entertainment. Because of this, we willingly exchange our labor for income. We give time, energy, knowledge, creativity, physical effort to someone or something else, and in return they pay us. This payment becomes stored purchasing power. Instead of being paid in vegetables or tools, we are paid in a flexible token, a symbol that can later be exchanged for whatever we want. This is why income and finances matters so much in the modern, mainstream, shared landscape of everyday society. Without access to money, daily survival becomes difficult. But there's also an important psychological shift that happens here over time. When our survival necessities are seen to, many of us will begin treating money not as a tool anymore, but as a measure of personal worth and value. But all this really does is create an illusion of endless comparison. Because there will always be somebody who has more or less than you. Somebody else will always earn more or less than you. Someone may appear more successful in whatever way success means for you, for them, for society as a whole. So this is why understanding the true essence of money clearly is important. So for us not to get overly entangled in distortions. Money is a resource, a useful one. But confusing financial value with human value is where many of us can quietly lose ourselves.